Namaste and good afternoon. Today I will show you how to download, install and set up Canvas LMS learning management system in your mobile phone. This Canvas LMS learning management system you can use in your Android phone as well as iPhone also. So I'm showing this demo in Android phone. Okay, first of all, Sri Guru Charana. Okay, Mahabali Hanumanji. Let's start. To start that Canvas application, Canvas for a student, we need to go in Google Play Store. Here it is, Google Play Store. Yeah, this is already Canvas. If there is no Canvas, you can search by doing Canvas, Canvas, Canvas. Search like this, and Canvas has three apps: Canvas for a student, this; Canvas for teacher, this; and also Canvas for parents. Yes, Canvas for parents, this. So this time we are installing Canvas for a student. Okay, install this. Wait for a while. Just wait. 56, 57, 68, 100% done. Installing. Installing. Yes, okay. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Installation is scanning. Just a minute. Hope you are safe in your home. Okay, open it here. I am opening this app, Canvas app. Yes, got it. Okay, so if it is not there, choose from download. It is the application Canvas student. Open this. Okay, so you can connect your account in two ways. One is manually putting your URL and email address. Next is QR code scanner. This QR code scanner, if you have your computer, and in computer or laptop you already have that Canvas logged in, that in that case you can log in from there. You don't have to put the URL or email address manually. You can choose QR code, but here we are doing it manually. To manual choosing it, we need to do the find my school. Just do this and type Canvas, Canvas dot instructre dot com. Okay, don't forget this. Canvas dot instructor.com. Okay, search this. Yes, here it is. Now canvas dot see the URL canvas dot instructor.com and put your email. Demo dot student at gate dot edu dot np. No edu. Du dot np. It's here. And password. Okay, this password is not your email address password, not your email password. This is different password than your email password. You have to put this password. This password is created while you first time register your Canvas ID. You at that time you put your password yourself. So hope you know this password. Okay, login. Not valid. Demo.student.get.edu.np. Oh my god. Oh my god, you know my password. No problem, it's demo. Yes, that's successful. I'm afraid that you know my password. I will change it. No problem. Okay, here are the two course. We have two courses assigned here. Hospitality IT application. If you open this, inside modules, you have study materials here. A discussion. You can participate in discussion, create discussion here. file, page, syllabus, conference, collaboration, everything here. And another subject, management information system. Here also I think no modules is published here, no modules is published here, so that it is not seen. Okay, in this way install you can install Canvas, and you can set up Canvas in your mobile phone. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you very much, see you soon.